Hi, Pavan.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you, Pavan?
Fine, ma'am. Yourself?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side. Congratulations, Pavan, for your placement.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Pavan, introduce about yourself and about your native.
Yes, ma'am. Myself, Pavan Kumar, ma'am. I'm from Davangere. I have completed my graduation in Ballari Institute of Technology and Management, and my pass out batch is 2023. Um, and I took civil engineering in BTech, ma'am. And after completing civil engineering, I pursued IDM course in CMTI Institute in Bangalore.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
As previously, my friend also took coaching in CMT Institute 3 months before we have joined. He contacted me that the CMT Institute is very good, like in teaching all the topics related to civil engineering.
Okay, Pavan, which course you have enrolled for?
I mean, CMT Institute, I enrolled for IDM, Interior Design Management.
That's nice. Okay, like in IDM, what all the new topics you have covered and what you have gained from IDM?
I mean, IDM, we came to know about the like type of materials what you use in interiors and standards and what type of materials we use. So that we gain knowledge by also visiting like site visits, ma'am. Through that we have covered all the topics in this institute, CMT Institute.
Okay, like what are the site visits and interior visits you have attended?
And like we have made many visits, ma'am, like IBO, IKEA, and Asian Paints, um, and interior companies also, ma'am. Like BGRT also, ma'am. In those interior companies, we came to know that about that also various materials, ma'am, like how they use and how they do not waste anything like related to materials.
Okay, I think you have attended much site visits, interior visits, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So, okay, in the interior visits, like factory visit, you have attended, right? What all the topics you have covered and what you have learned in practically?
Ma'am, coming to practical session, ma'am, like labor, we saw that how labor work in the related to interior, ma'am. Like they in interior side visit, they were using mainly plywoods, ma'am. Like we came to know that how the panels and rods are made, like on the sides, ma'am.
Okay, I think you have the both practical and theory knowledge you have
Yes,
gained
ma'am.
more, right? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Like, how was the trainer support towards you?
Throughout the session, daily they were contacting daily, like how are the classes going on and what are the topics we have covered. And they also used to ask that which topics we did not cover. They used to give us extra classes on those topics.
Okay, what are the softwares you have covered, Pavan? Like,
And in CMTI, we related to integers, we have covered AutoCAD, SketchUp, Inkscaping. Yes, ma'am. These types of softwares.
okay, how was the software sessions?
For every software sessions they used to give like 10 to 12 classes, ma'am, so that we can cover from basics to like end topic, so that we can become perfect in every software.
Okay. Pavan, like, how was your placement procedures?
Ma'am, actually, like after the completion of course, staffs have sent us like few interviews, ma'am. In that we have I have selected in a certain company. Like in coming to interview procedure, they have taken like 2 to 3 rounds, ma'am, for the selection of job role. I have selected for the interior designing role in, ma'am. So like it's
Okay, I think you're happy with your
yes,
placement.
yes,
The
ma'am.
role.
Actually, I got what role I want. Once I'm happy with it, ma'am.
Okay, that's nice of that. Finally, what you want to say to your friends and junior about CMTI?
If they want to like learn deep about certain topics, I will refer to CMT Institute. Coming not only to about interiors, like also construction related topics, man. Like they can learn both interior and construction related topics in this institute.
Okay, finally, how was the Ashok sir support towards you? How the motivations given by Ashok sir?
Ashok sir were taking few classes in the weeks, ma'am, but also they used to give the motivation speech related to time management and how to how to talk with somebody like who have knowledge, like knowledge related to like topics, man, like about the subject topics, or how we should they showed us like mainly how to manage the time, man, like we should be on time for a certain work or something.
Okay, like how a CMT app help you out? What are the benefit of app?
I mean, this app, ma'am, not only offline classes, and they also used to refer online classes. So who are not able to attend offline classes, they also used to give offer, ma'am, for taking the online classes. That's certain.
Okay, I think you're happy with your placements
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
and happy about your course also, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Pavan, for your feedback.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
congratulations for your placements. Have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pavan.
Thank you.